southeastern New York. Putnam County in southeastern New York. Rockland County in southeastern New York until 4:45 p.m.
Dude, what the heck?
At 3:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Peekskill to near Haverstraw to near Nanuet, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 16 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Tell him KZZ31.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Source, severe thunderstorms will be near Austining and Upper Nyack around 4 p.m. Mount Kisco and Hawthorne around 4:05 p.m. Greenwich and Bedford around 4:15 p.m. Stanford around 4:20 p.m. Ridgefield around 4:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. 20 p.m.
Yeah, it's on KZZ31.
Ridgefield around 4:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Severe thunderstorm watch 552 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Small craft advisory in effect through Thursday morning. For tonight, southwest winds 10 to